Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I have my bonnet on my head, but it's with a purpose, okay? I'm about to do my hair. We're about to slay, okay honey? So today I'm going to be reviewing a wig from UNice hair. I don't know if they call it UNice or UNice. I don't know, I always say UNice. And you know this company, you've been seeing their ads all over the gram. And this is from their Betty U series, and I believe Betty U is another YouTuber, I don't know. But this is a U-part wig. Now I've already made a video on how to install a U-part wig for a long-term protective style, like sewing it in and all that. So I'm gonna link that somewhere up in the cards. But today I'm gonna show you a quick way to install your U-part wig. This shouldn't take you more than 10 minutes, girl. No more than 10 minutes. So in the box right away I have the wig, of course. Disrespectful. The wig, and in the pack they also sent me some lashes. We also got a wig cap, and of course they also have in the box some instructions on how to take care of the hair and stuff. Ooh, and I got a little bit of coupon. This time I wanted to spice things up a little bit, okay? So I got a little bit of color. And she is a U-part wig, and she has some gorgeous blonde highlights. I think this is a color 30. The highlights are color 30. So it's 1B with color 30 highlights. And she is beautiful. Alright, so this is 14 inches long. I wanted something with a length that was a bit more natural. Because, I mean, that's the reason you're doing a U-part wig. So it looks like yours, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and prep my hair for this wig, and let's get into it. I'm kind of feeling like this video is really encouraging you guys to judge me, but I love you guys, so I trust that you won't judge. So I don't know if you guys know, but we're in California right now. I'm still digging myself out of my suitcase. I cannot find a comb to save my life. So we're gonna be using a crochet hook to part my hair. So yeah, don't judge me. She can't find a comb, but she can find a crochet hook. Listen, these things happen. They happen. All right, so this little section of my hair right here, I can easily break this down into the sections that I want. Yo, my hair is so soft. Oh my god, guys, you need to check out the video that I posted somewhere up here in the cards on me using neutral henna for the first time. Cassia, that thing has my hair soft. So we have our leave out all set and ready to go. So I'm just gonna twist that up out of the way. All right, so I'm gonna take my wig cap and put it on behind the try to get it as flat as possible. So now, just like with the other one, you need to cut these little strings out from inside of your U-part wig. So now those little pieces are cut out. And if you want it tighter, you can go ahead and adjust the elastic band in the back. So now I'm going to apply my Aussie Total Miracle Heat Protecting Spray. Everything is neatly covered, nice and laid. So now we still have to blend this natural hair. Alright guys, so this is the finished look with this U-part wig from UNice hair. I like the curl. It's pretty vibrant and nice. Like I can easily like blend my hair in with this, and because it's not super light, my black hair can just blend and fit in flawlessly with this, but I still get a bit of color to like frame my face. Yeah, I do believe this is human hair, but I don't know because when I was curling it, I did see some staining on the wand. We don't plan it, but I'm not gonna lie, it looks so good. It looks so good. The color and everything, the length of it matches perfectly with the look I was going for. Overall, it is a really good quality hair, and especially for the price, girl. But yeah, I'll definitely give them a try again. I do love this unit. It's so quick and easy. I plop this on my head in literally less than 10 minutes and I'm ready to go. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Until next time, guys. Oh wait, not bye-bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, girl. And hit that notification bell. Until next time, guys. Bye-bye.